Setup of Wi-Fi module. The Roth Touchline SL controller 4-channel Wi-Fi has a built-in Wi-Fi module, allowing you to control the system remotely over the internet by using an app or computer. Press Menu and select Modules and choose Internet module. Activate On and select Network Wi-Fi selection, and the system will start searching for available Wi-Fi networks. Select the chosen network and press Menu. Enter the password for the Wi-Fi using the buttons Up and Down and Menu to confirm and for next character. After last character, press Menu twice and the connection will be confirmed in the display. Go to Registration and confirm with Menu. Confirm with Yes and you will get the confirmation Module registered and a 5-digit code. Write this code down as you will need it in the next step. Connecting the system to the cloud. Download the app from App Store or Google Play. Search for Roth Touchline SL. Open the app and press the pencil in the upper right corner to create a cloud account. Fill in all information needed and finally press Register. Activate the link sent to your email. Log in with your username and password to connect to the app. Now you are ready to register the controller to the cloud. Name the controller, could be your address, and fill in the 5-digit code you got earlier. Enter all information and press Register. After a short while, you will get the information, New Module Registration. When you press Register, it will take a few minutes for the cloud to collect all data from your system. When ready, you will be able to see an overview of your underfloor heating system. You can see all connected zones. You can see all set and actual temperatures in the zones. You can see the status of the system, mode, pump, and boiler output. To have a better overview of your zones, you can name them with a more descriptive name, e.g. kitchen, bath, etc. Press Menu and select Zones. Change the name Zone 1 to Kitchen and repeat for the remaining zones. When you go back to Home, you will see the new names of each zone. To change set temperature in a room, select the desired room and select Constant Temperature. Now you can adjust the set temperature with the slider or by using plus or minus. Confirm new temperature with the tick.